Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is soil. Soil is the outer layer of the earth. It is the mixture of small pieces of rock, air, minerals, salt, water, humus, microbes, and microorganisms. The lowest part is the bedrock, then rock fragments, weathered subsoil, topsoil, and the uppermost layer is humus. Composition of soil. It is the mixture of small pieces of rock and stones, air, minerals, salts, water, humus, and microbes. The amount of each of these things that make up soil differs from place to place. Water 25%, air 25%, mineral 45%, organic matter 5%. Rock and stones. Rock and stones hold the roots of plants firmly to the ground. Air and water are present in the spaces between the soil particles. Air. Air provides oxygen for the roots of plants and for other organisms living in the soil. Water. Water is absorbed from the soil through their roots. Types of soil: clay, loam, sand, and silt. Sandy soil. Free draining soil, gritty to the touch, warms up quickly in spring, easy to cultivate, dries out rapidly, may lack nutrients which are easily washed through the soil in wet weather, often called a hungry soil. Loamy soil. The perfect soil, good structure, drains well, retains moisture, full of nutrients, easy to cultivate, warms up quickly in spring and doesn't dry out in summer. Consider yourself very lucky if you have this soil. Clay. Feels lumpy and sticky when very wet. Rock hard when dry. Clay retains poorly free air spaces. Warms slowly in spring. Heavy to cultivate. If drainage is improved, plants grow well as it holds more nutrients than many other soils. Silty soil. Smooth and soapy to the touch. Well drained soil. Retains moisture. Richer in nutrients. More fertile than sandy soil. Easier to cultivate than clay. Heavier than sand. Soil structure is weak and easily compacted. A very good soil if well managed. Loam. This soil contains a mixture of large and small particles as well as a lot of minerals due to the presence of humus. It is the best type of soil for the healthy growth of plants and animals because it contains air, water, and minerals. Types of soil and characteristic of each type of soil. Humus. The content of humus: decayed parts of once living organisms, size of the particles, many sizes, rate water flows through, holds water well, feels like or texture, soft and crumbles, feels is soggy when wet. Sand. Content: pieces of rock, size of particles or grains, large grains, retain rate water flows through, water leaves quickly because of large particles, feels or texture gritty. Silt. Very small pieces of rock, size of particles, smaller grains than sand, rate water flows through, holds water well, feels like or texture, slippery when wet, powdery when dry. Clay. What is what it is made of or content: smallest pieces of rock, size of particles are much smaller grains than sand or silt, rate water flows through, holds water easily, a drop will disappear immediately. Texture: sticky when wet, dries to hard clumps. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah for watching.